Here's the factory tour of Stormy Cromer. We're going to see what's being cut out today. Well, when we get there, I'll show you. She was telling us that machine right there, while it's cutting, it sharpens the blade, so they don't have to take the blade out and sharpen it. That's cool. Now that's a cool little machine. That's cool. They make pet products, cat towers. Oh, made to order cat towers. Dig that. Dr. Foster's and Smith. This is how they make it fit in a smaller box. Oh, they compress it. Oh, it's like that freezer bag thing. And then you heat seal it.
So now we can fold it in a couple parts and put it in a much smaller box. And then once the customer gets it, they can just open it up and it pops right back to life.
Pops right back to life.
I know a lot of memory foam mattresses are now being shipped like this just because it's a lot easier, a lot quicker, a lot faster. And also it needs the amount of shipping. So we actually had to put a sticker on these saying that's for shipping. We were getting so many boxes back saying this isn't my dog bed. I ordered
Check it out. People are so crazy. Duh. Check that out. It's recycled plastic for the dog beds. They get it in like hay bales, and then they put it in that machine, and it fluffs it up, and then dude fills up the dog beds with it, and then they cover them. Cool. It's a trip to us. You're used to it, right?
Well, sometimes they're not running this side. They're pretty busy on this side.
That's one big dog bed. That's like for a Great Dane or a Mastiff, huh?
Oh, yeah. Well, this is what it actually looks like frozen. That is what this is, frozen.
And that's for cancer patients?
And that, well, yeah, cancer patients, construction workers. I think we make them for working dogs, things like that. So it kind of looks like a big ball of wax in there. That's what it looks like to me. And it just keeps you cool. One of those little packets right there fits in the pocket, just like that. And there you go. Here first, and then they move on and get all the rods and everything put in here.
For Dometic awnings.
Put into those big tubes and then shipped out. We try to do about 100 a day. I think it's 200 to 300 a day. I know they were a little behind yesterday because they had a problem with a machine, but this is kind of like a big air hockey table. You can feel that air there. It makes the arms a little easier to maneuver and just slide around so they're not as like
Man, made in America is the best. Can't take away from good old-fashioned sewing, I tell you. America at its finest. If you watch her closely, she even cuts off the little pieces. Like when I buy things at Walmart and stuff, not made in the USA, there's little pieces where like the seams have been sewn together and there's still little pieces where they've sewn. See, there she goes. She's cutting off all the little, see, that's awesome. Now this would be my horror, trying to sew that bill on. I don't know how she gets it. See, that's the part that makes the Stormy Cromer the Stormy Cromer. The ear band that comes down. You can pull it down over your ears. It's been cool. A Made in America factory tour. Flippin' awesome. And they make like pea coats. Like army pea coats or something, see? It's like the green one, that's a black one, or gray, black, gray. They also do the canopy stuff for the play system, rainbow play system on this. They have many, many colors. Orange, pink, black, purple. Oh, I'm just in awe. Yeah, look at that, from the Olympics.
And we did make this bumper for the Olympic trials, I believe.
And they make them for cost for the kids.
At Northern Michigan University. This is Apollo Ono here.
Now that's a wonderful owner of a company. All right, look at this, Shauna Marie. I'm trying to get it in the damn car so I can still look out the back. Look at this. It's taking up the whole back. It's so huge. Dude said it looks like a beanbag chair when we used to have when we were kids. The dogs don't have a dog bed. They have a beanbag chair. And look at that.